else. That would be kind of fun, just to kind of play for a day and get to do an interview with a former world leader.
Yeah, I'd like to play Prince or Princess for a day. That's what I'd like to trade roles with.
Cool.
Yeah.
Although I'm afraid the protocols would be really restricted.
Yeah,
very restricted. Really lewd.
You'd have to meet the Queen Mum.
Yes.
Yes,
I
wouldn't mind.
Okay, guys. So here's the Treasure Valley, and here's a storm that's coming in from the northwest, and usually, like the storm that hit us Friday night. That thing just, Saturday night, that thing actually just slammed right into the state, into southwestern Idaho. But the one that's coming in is going to be brushing by just to the north of the Treasure Valley. And as it does, what's going to happen is it's going to generate snow for the mountains and the possibility of a little rain-snow mix on the valley floor. So what happens if we get rain on the valley floor? With the cold temperatures, that means that we have the potential of seeing some freezing rain. So something we're going to be watching for here as this next round of weather moves in, and already the clouds are definitely in place. And here in the Treasure Valley, we have not seen a lot of sunshine today. It's been one of those kind of cloudy, dismal looking December days with the low clouds. We had some patchy fog last night. Probably going to be seeing some fog once again tonight and early tomorrow morning. So watch with the Futurecast and you're going to see what happens. First of all, let's go to the morning. Here comes the leading edge of the next front. This is primarily going to be a warm front that moves into the area, so not much change. The low clouds and the fog hanging out in the morning. Then by tomorrow afternoon, here comes this storm. Late tomorrow afternoon, this is right around 6 to 7 o'clock in the evening. What do you see happening over the mountains? This is snow across many of the mountain ranges. So Highway 95, Highway 55 likely going to be affected by this. And then watch what happens here as the storm approaches the Treasure Valley during the early morning hours on Friday. Could actually generate the possibility of some rain in the Treasure Valley and then a little rain-snow mix for parts of the Long Valley. I'm hoping we keep it as all snow up in the mountains in the ski resorts where we want to see it. But if we do see any rain, if that front moves through and it generates rain during the early morning hours on Friday, it has the potential of being a little bit of a freezing rain event. So some of the models are very mixed up as far as how the storm is going to impact us. So where that means that the confidence is not very high as far as how it's going to impact the valley. So mountain snow showers are expected as early, actually they've been happening today, but again tomorrow and on Friday. Then a few showers are expected in the Treasure Valley late tomorrow. Chance of rain and snow showers on Friday for the valley, and then a slow warming trend as the storm moves on through. By early Saturday morning, it should help to break the inversion enough that we could see temperatures actually warming up just a bit. 29 degrees right now in Boise. It has been cold. Air quality is continuing to decrease with the stagnant air that we're seeing, so moderate levels of pollution in the forecast tomorrow. And on the satellite imagery, you can see the activity that's out here in the Pacific Ocean. This is what's going to be generating our next front that commences tomorrow night, more so through the day on Friday, and then should be gone by, I would say, Saturday afternoon. All right, so the forecast region by region, we're going to be seeing pretty decent driving conditions. If you have plans on driving tomorrow, but watch out for the snow as it is expected in the mountains as early as tomorrow late afternoon and tomorrow evening. But along Interstate 84, traveling conditions should be okay unless you're going up towards Washington and Oregon. Then you could run in to some adverse winter driving conditions. So the Treasure Valley will be seeing that rain-snow mix on Friday, a few showers early Saturday, and then conditions really begin to dry out Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And we'll have more on the mountain forecast in just a few minutes.
Sounds encouraging for the resorts.
Yeah, I mean, 3 to 6 inches of snow, up to 13 inches at the higher elevations. That's good if we can keep the rain out of there.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Well.